Hello everyone, it is Saturday today. I don't know, it's like something in July. So I thought I'd just pick up the camera and start a vlog. I don't have any plans this weekend because my cousin is actually about to have a baby and she was due on Tuesday. It's still not here, so I like kind of kept this weekend completely free so I could go visit her. But she still hasn't had the baby, so now this weekend is just like, what am I even doing? But anyway, I think Brett's downstairs at the moment. You can probably hear him banging around in the music and stuff, but I think we're just gonna work on the caravan some more, just do a couple of random little bits. And I also thought maybe I'll chuck in, I've got this like pile of stuff just here, there's Charlie, of like caravan stuff, so I think I might just chuck in like a bit of a haul in this video as well for those people that are interested. And then yeah, I just figured I'd vlog today, maybe tomorrow as well, see what happens. So yeah, sorry if you guys are sick of all the caravan content. It's taken over my life as I said it would, and I'm obsessed with it, so I can't help it. Like, I'm not kidding. So I'll show you my office right now. Please keep in mind this is the cleanest it's been in like weeks. So that's the clothes from my thrift haul that I did last weekend. I just haven't put them away yet. And then there's just the normal stuff. I changed my ivy and put it there. That's my little pile of caravan stuff. That's a dog. And then like this corner is like, at the very back there's a roll of fabric that was left over from the couches. Then that big black roll is the carpet, and then that is all the old curtains, which I have yet to do. And then just like my desk and stuff. So for a while there, my whole office was just like curtains and couch cushions, and that was it. But now I've actually got a floor, so I think I'm going to do a haul of that today. But anyway, this intro is already 2 minutes long, so I'm probably going to cut most of it out, but I'm going to finish getting ready, go downstairs and help Brett and see what we're going to do with the caravan. And when I say get ready, what I obviously mean is just put on some tights and a big jumper and Ugg boots, because it's the middle of a Tasmanian winter and that means it's fucking cold. So update, we have a skylight, the vent had to go, it was leaking. This is still leaking, but we're gonna fix it. Well, Brett's gonna fix it, I'm not. So what Brett's doing at the moment is, I think I've said before, but this fridge is too little, so he's gonna make a little shelf that goes underneath, and that's where we're gonna keep like probably our solar blanket and stuff like that. So one of my little projects for the day is this fridge. I tried to contact paper it last weekend because I bought contact paper from Bunnings to cover it and just make it black, but it just didn't work. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try to sand it and see if that makes a difference. I mean, contact paper is like $1 for the roll I'm buying. If not, I'm gonna have to like find the right paint or something, because this is completely worn off, so there's no point even trying to keep that. So I'm just gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it works, and hopefully I can put on the sand, hopefully I can put on the contact paper right and it looks good. Otherwise I'm gonna have to paint it, and I don't want to because I feel like it's gonna look ugly. So this is my contact paper, it's just black and it's just from Kmart. The first one I tried was from Bunnings, but it just didn't stick very well. Don't know whether that was the fridge's fault or the contact paper's fault, so I'm going to try this. If this doesn't work, I'm going to resort to paint. Okay, so it's definitely not the prettiest looking thing. Like, I cut the edges a bit too, I don't know, the edge on this side going down. Sorry about the lighting, you can see the edge, and then this bottom bit there's a massive chunk missing. Not overly thrilled with it, but at least I know I can do it now. I just got to do it a bit better. So I'm gonna probably just leave this on here for now and come back to it another day. So that's in now, that's in there. That stuff will all be covered with like the carpet. It's just gonna like, I'm gonna use the scraps to cover that up.
So Beck probably hasn't shown you, I'm Brett, for people who have just tuned in. Brett, Rebecca's boyfriend. We had to redo this because the old vent was just fucked and cracked and it was leaking everywhere. So I just used some old reclaimed hardwood and pocket holes to make this gap smaller to 300mm, and then we installed a skylight which was 160 bucks, and I did this in like 6 hours. And then I thought everything was all good, and then it started leaking from here again, which broke my fucking heart. So I've had to take the top off, which is that, and reseal it, but it should be fine, and it looks pretty good. That's not too bad for me.
I like the what it looks like when it's got the rain on it.
Yeah.
But we won't be able to see that when the cover's back on.
No.
Maybe we just won't put the plastic on. No, just kidding. And now we're going to put the skylight. The lighting's really bad. Cover back on to cover up all of that. So we just got back from going to ship loads, hence why I'm changed, and I thought while I'm on doing all the caravan stuff, I just show you okay, so I don't bore you with I'm gonna kill him. I'm literally going to murder him. Okay, so I don't bore you with caravan stuff anymore. I'm going to do the quick haul I spoke about and show you what I've bought so far. So I've been keeping most of it in this blue tub, which is actually going to be our laundry thing that we keep in the shower. You guys will see it eventually one day when I do a tour. But I have this hanging peg thing. Just obviously we don't have like a washing machine or anything like that, obviously. And we won't be going to a laundromat all the time, so this is just for like socks and undies and stuff, probably bathing suits for me, where I can quickly just wash it in a bucket or the sink or something, and then just we can hang it up either in the caravan or outside to dry really quickly. This is the empty packet for the shower curtain. I didn't actually need the rings, so I don't know. I kept it in case I needed it. I bought us a folding step. So the step that's currently there is like built into the caravan, but it's completely rusted out and is just shit. So we're going to take that out, and we're just like, we might as well just have a fold step. So it was only $5 from Kmart. Brett bought this fold collapsible bucket, I suppose, just because they're always handy. I've still got to get the hang of how we do it, but yeah, just a collapsible bucket. There's a bit in the caravan where I'm thinking about putting a cork board, so I bought these 2 packs of push pins. They like a really nice, like raw, light woodish look. That didn't focus at all, but they were really cheap, so I bought them just in case I do decide to do that. I have a little sewing kit. I had to buy this because I needed a stitch picker or whatever it's called, and I was at the supermarket and this was like $10 or something, and I was like, you know what, that's rather than me taking my big sewing kit, which I wouldn't have anyway, this comes already done. And yeah, obviously a sewing kit I feel like is going to be necessary, because it'll be like, oh my god, I've got a hole in my pants and I don't want to buy new ones, so I'll sew it up. I don't know. So the other day I made an order on BCF and I bought a toaster. This is one where it kits 4 pieces of toast and you like set it up. It's a bit fiddly to set up, but I'll figure it out. My battery's about to die. I also bought a whistling kettle. Obviously we have a gas stove and a barbecue thing we'll have outside, so needed one of these. There was one in there, but it was rusted out. And then last thing is I bought myself a camping chair. I've either only had shit ones or always just borrowed my dad's, so I spent about $60 on this one, and I'll put a picture on the screen of what it looks like, and it's so comfy and I love it. My battery's about to die, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so it's the next day now, and I thought I'd film in this just to kind of like change it up, and I honestly get what people mean now. I don't know whether to look here or there. I don't know. But anyway, I was going to make this a vlog, but seeing as I've just waffled on about the caravan for 9 minutes, I might as well just make this a Caravan Diaries video and keep it short and sweet. Next video, I can promise you, is not going to be caravan related. It is going to be about health, fitness, body image, feeling like a blob, all of that good stuff. Hopefully that's going to be the next video anyway. Honestly, it all depends when my cousin has her baby, because I'm just like waiting for that to happen so I can then like plan the rest of my life. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already for more caravan related videos and videos about what I normally do, thrifting, fashion, life, random stuff. Also, I got this new puffer jacket to replace my other one for next year and I absolutely love it. It's like shorter and like it's got a collar which you can't see because I have like mountains of hair. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.